is. Recording. Steven, say hi to the camera. Is yours recording now? You're gonna record? Alright. I'm uploading this to my YouTube channel, Nicholas BC8B. Go ahead and what? Yeah, but the entire team's like, yes, I figured to make this personal gameplay, you know? Alright. Let's go. Move it. Come on, double time. She's angled on good. Oh, mama, can't you see what this core has done for me? Okay, let me just record my body for a second. You already?
I say we go for the HP guy first.
Alright.
Let's just sit back here.
You're on defense. Ah, fuck me. Alright, let's get good defense. If you go down, call it out. Alright? Already? Yo, Carmen, I gotta switch mags. Someone try to sneak you around right side, you watch that left, alright? Watch that side, I got this side. Can I get him? He's getting close, let me know if he gets too close.
Alright, got him.
Watch out, left side. semi-auto. Fucking thing. Fuck is up with his mag? You fucking kidding me? Oh shit, I'm out. Steven! Throw me a mag! Throw me a mag! I need the BBs, bro. I need some BBs. Where is it? Alright. I want ammo. Dude, I fucking thought all my mags are full and stupid. Here. Hurry, 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 before they rush us. Keep my card.
Alright. I'm moving up.
Alright, go, go. That's not enough, but... Hey! I need to run and grab some BBs real quick. I thought all my bags were full. I guess I didn't fill up last night.
Take my mag. I don't need it anymore. My battery's gone.
Here.
Just take the ammo from it.
Here. Gun's dead? Here. I'll use my shotgun, you can use my rifle. Or my battery, one to two, I don't give a fuck. Grab my shotgun and come back. You have a pistol? Oh, okay.
I'll be okay. I can probably get two.
Huh? Yo, I might need some of your team mags if I run low, alright? Yo, Steven, do me a favor? Throw these in your pocket.
I can't fit all those in my pocket.
Take this one then.
You just stuff, put them on my gun.
I know, but I can take the BBs and pour it in my mag. Really? Steven, how many mags do you have? Steven, how many mags do you have? Alright, give it to me. I will. Yeah, I'm ready. Here, take the free reloader. Steven, we gotta push up a bit this time. Oh fuck. How'd you get hit so fast?
I don't know. That cover sucks. That's what happened here. I got a shitty cover. I gotta hate the cover.
Huh? We switching sides again? Because I need to fill up all my mags now. Actually, I'm gonna give you my battery, Steven. I'm gonna use my shotgun. Grab your stuff. I'll just use my shotgun, alright? You can use my battery. I'm gonna throw yours on the charger though, so when you go into bigger maps, I can use my rifle then. Alright. Wait, Steven, are you using my mag? Are you using my mag? I mean, like for the pistol. You have mine? Never mind. I'm gonna take my shotgun out. It's close. Oh, never mind then. I was gonna give my battery and just use my shotgun. I don't know, the shotgun is a pretty tight spread. I could probably hit that sign.
Shotguns are cool.
I don't have a strap though.
Yeah, I know.